Hey guys, it's time for another paint party. So glad you're here, and I hope that you will enjoy watching this little video. I don't expect that it will be very long. I'm going to be pouring over this round craft box that I'm going to make into a trinket slash jewelry box. And I am not putting this on top of a canvas. I'm going to let the paint pour off, and then I'm going to dip a small canvas into the paint to make a small painting. For one reason I'm doing that is because of what I'm using to hold up the bottom portion is that brass candlestick that's kind of heavy, and it would put quite a bit of pressure on a canvas and also leave a very big round portion that isn't covered because the bottom of that candlestick is rather large. So that's the method I've decided to do today. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I will be playing some music for you during the portion of the pouring portion of the video. All the colors that I'm going to be using, I will provide that in the description box as I typically do. If you're interested in those, you can go there and check that out. As for now, I'm going to get started, so let's party. guys, I let them set for a few minutes and let them quit dripping so much, and then I've moved them. I will give you a close-up of the box now and the lid. I did have to do some tilting on with the lid because it was just puddling up and not running off. But here is what we've got. Here's the bottom. That's pretty cool looking. Kind of wish that the lid looked like that, because that's pretty gorgeous. Really, I like how it turned out. I think it's really pretty. And here's the lid. Like I said, I wish it looked like that. It's pretty, but it's not. I like the bottom better. We might do something else with that lid. I'm not sure. It's okay, I guess. If it looked like that, though, I'd be a lot happier with it. We've got a big hole here where the candlestick was, so I'm going to have to use a stick or something to get that to not be like that, and I'm going to have to add a little bit more paint, I think, to it. So I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, I'm back. I picked up some of the paint from this area and put it in the hole, then drizzled some of the other colors because it just looked plain green, and didn't want to have a spot that was just plain green in my painting. So I think I'm ready. It hasn't spread out quite as much as I would like. But I'm going to be squishing this down and it should spread it out. So let's give it a try, see what we get. As you can see, it did not cover the whole thing. And it's got a little bit of some color, going on in the middle, radiating out through, but to me, this has not got enough going on in it to be something I would keep. What I think I will do is I'm going to bring the lid back over here and pour some more paint over the lid, and that will give us some more paint for me to be dipping in. So let's try that. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the progress. I have redone this a couple of times off camera. It was just, I'm so deep in this and a mess that it was really not conducive to be trying to film it. So this, I think, will be my final work on the top. it's a lot more bright and cheery, and I think it goes better with this bottom than what it looked like before. So, and truthfully, the box is, this box is the main concern of my project, not the canvas. But I am going to try to redo the canvas here in a second. I'm going to put you back up on the tripod. Okay, I'm going to try and redo this canvas now. I only have a little bit of paint left in my containers, so I'm going to just kind of dribble it in what I have here. Okay guys, I am finally ready to show you the canvas. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I'm really happy with it. We've got some lacing going on and a good variation in colors. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.